Good questions. Let's answer those. On a scale of 1 to 5, I would rate the videos 3.75 because it does require the end user to have some intuition and make relative comparisons. So like in the video, I may say, click on, type in C colon, but on that user's computer, it wouldn't be C, it might be D. I do address that in the videos, but they may not grasp it right away. So it does require a little bit of intuition. Actually, no, there are other pieces of software I've included on there that is freeware. And so if you look up here, there's a little bit of a list there. That's the Windows updaters for Windows 10, Windows 11, Crystal Disk, pretty much all the IO-bit software that we use in the office. That's the free version. So yeah, they are included. There are detailed instructions on operational before a problem starts and how to use them after recovery.